Hi, I'm Gary for Expert Village.
I'd like to show you how to edit your signatures, not only create new ones, but possibly to add in text or to just change the look of the signature. So we go back into Tools and Options, Mail Format, and then in our signature. And here we have our list of signatures for new messages. I'm going to go ahead and we see that the clown animation has been chosen. I'm going to click on signatures and here's my list, and we see that we have the option to edit. So I'll click on edit, and again we're only viewing the picture and we're really being prompted to add in text. So if we want to change and edit the picture, we're going to have to go into our advanced edit again and open up the Microsoft Word editor and create the HTML file. But if we just want to add in text, we can just go ahead and put in text by clicking on top and hitting the enter key, and then while we're on top of the image we can put something in like clownproductions.com, and of course we can go ahead and make it nicer. We can make it look more like a logo. We can change our font around and maybe make a little bit of a bold font, Crazy Harold. We'll put it like that. So here we have our image and it has some text on top, and now we can go ahead and use our signature more of a instead of just a kind of a cute funny image, but actually as a kind of logo or something that we can really use to as a calling card. And we can also obviously add in more text, phone numbers, addresses. But that's how you would go ahead and edit your signature and put in text. And of course, once this is saved, it will appear in your emails just the same way as the plain image did.